This is 8213 Wild West in Barcy Ranch. Just finished doing some light staging inside as we get ready to come on the market. So you have some lower maintenance landscaping here. So you have an evergreen tree, a full brick house. You enter in to a living dining space here off the front, and the whole house is basically completely repainted. So that's a nice bonus. As you can see by the light fixture, used just like one big dining, but you could absolutely do a living area and a dining area in here. You have laminate floors, and then you have this 12 by 12 tile through the front entry. Continue on, you have a good sized little coat closet off the front. And you have the walk-in laundry. I love that you don't actually have to go through the laundry to get into the garage. That's a nice feature. Washer, dryer, and fridge are negotiable on this one. And then they added some accent wallpaper in here, just give it a little bit more. You also have a barn door into that space too, so that way you don't have a bunch of door situations blocking things. Off the front entry is the garage. It is equipped with a electric water heater, the electric panel, and is a standard size, fit two cars just fine. Continue into the large kitchen. It has a beautiful granite countertop. It has granite over there too, but this is a really nice piece that kind of is definitely a feature in here. You have a large island, and the island does have built-in storage, including a trash pull, tall uppers, and then having the hardware added is nice. These are adjustable shelves as well. Makes it a little bit more convenient. Deep sink, accent backsplash, and then you have a ample sized pantry over here. Lots of storage. And then let's take a look at the dining area here. Large living room, all this tile throughout, so easy to maintain. I have seen people use like an area rug and do a nice size sectional there, and then you have your line of travel along here, plenty of space, and it's pre-wired for you to put your TV here or over the fireplace, either one up to you. You can see just repainted, and then also has a wood burning fireplace. Accent wall there. And this house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We're going to take a look at the primary first. The secondary bedrooms are down that hall. So here's into the primary. So this house has no carpet, which is also nice. So this floor matches the front entry, or the front living and dining. Has an upgraded ceiling fan in here. The bathroom has the same kind of cabinets as in the kitchen, but it has a double sink, nice big mirror, and then this has a shower with the rainfall shower head, and then also has a large garden tub that's very wide. I'd be interested to see if somebody could fit 2 people in there. So yeah, has all of the essentials here for a primary bathroom. And then into the master or the primary closet. This is definitely a really nice feature. It has a huge walk-in. It's like at least 8 feet long. So really large walk-in closet here in the primary. And then headed to the secondary bedrooms. So down this hall. Here's the next secondary bedroom. Also has a ceiling fan and window treatments throughout. And then here's its closet. So the floors come through here as well. Like I said, no carpet in this house. Kind of a standard size closet. into the final of the bedrooms. Once again, ceiling fan, but this room has a really cool accent wall. I'm a big fan of this accent color. I love this forest green. And then this room's closet is just kind of standard size, standard for a secondary. And you can kind of gauge by the height of the doors. Those are 6'8" doors, kind of standard height doors, that the ceilings are pretty tall. You have a linen closet here off the secondary bedrooms. And then this is the secondary bath. So same kind of vanity, good size mirror still. And then you have the shower insert, which makes for easy maintenance to have an insert there. And then they've left this little storage medicine cabinet there. And then as we go back towards the living room, did want to show you guys the AC. It has been updated and pretty well maintained. If you're new to Dallas-Fort Worth area, you sometimes will see them in closets like this, but also sometimes you'll see the HVACs actually up in the attic. So it just kind of depends on what era the home was built in. And then headed out in the backyard, the back door has these built-in blinds, and they do have smart locks on the front and back door. And then headed out into the backyard. So you have this nice little accent. You could do a growing vines or something like that. And that's the back end of Barcy Ranch, of the subdivision. So there's a brick wall all the way across as far as that, and it's part of the HOA maintenance. Has a nice size slab back here, so if you wanted to add a hot tub or cover the patio, you absolutely could. Have lots of options there. Enough space for a pet to run around or throw a ball. And it does have the metal posts there. The roof is just checked out. It is in good shape. We've seen some hailstorms in our area in recent months. So I went ahead and had my roofer take a look just to make sure we were in good shape. Barcy Ranch, this community here, has the schools very close, some of them in the community even, walking trails, playground, pool, all that. And also you have really easy access to get to grocery stores, fast food, highway access. It's pretty conveniently located in Saginaw, and allows you to get to where you need to go pretty easily. But for everyday things like the grocery store, not a big deal to pop over and get something at the market. Leaving the house, you see it's in a neighborhood with lots of other comparable homes. Convenient to get out of the neighborhood and into a country feel. Barcy Ranch. This whole road was just recently renovated. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tour.